Alright, so where's Hannah chat? It's Sunday. So currently headed to my Duke spot. We normally do the cook up on Sundays, you know, a little Sunday meal. So it's currently what we got going on. Tap in with y'all when we get back to the crib or when I get to her spin out. You feel me? There you go. What's happening, everybody? It's Sunday fun day. We're in the lab. You know, we can walk this way. We got some stuff on the stove in the lab with Mondoose. Mondoose, what you cooking up?
Chicken pot pie.
Chicken pot pie. So we got some homemade pot pie coming up. That is the chicken right here on the stove. We'll get y'all a better view of that in a second while that cook up. She had some chicken marinating overnight. She about to drop it in. She said some milk, soak it up.
No, I already did. It's ready for cooking now.
Oh, well, she already put it in the milk and, you know, did the cook up on it. Y'all can't see that anyway because that's a little special, little something y'all don't need to see, little secret recipe, you know. But, yeah, man, we're in the lab. We're finna get to it. Chicken pot pie on the menu. Cook up.
When the beat drop, I'ma get straight to him like, give it to him, 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 give it to him. Now slide to the beat like, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him, give it to him.
So over here we got some ingredients. We got seasonings. We got our pie crust. Some more butter, little garlic, mixed vegetables, pizza dough. Boom. So our first step will be to grill the chicken.
Grill the chicken and preheat your oven.
Hey, grill the chicken and preheat the oven. So the oven right now is currently at 180, but she got it set to, you said to 350? 475. 475 for the cooker. Oh. So tender from sitting there brine too. Nope. Though we still making our filling. I can put the small ones in the bowl, the one you already cut.
Yeah.
That's about. Bite size. Ooh! Look at that pot filling.
So now you're adding your cream of chicken soup. Have some chicken broth. A little onion, fresh cut up celery that's been marinating overnight.
Ooh.
And mixed vegetables.
So we got some, okay, you said cream of chicken.
Oh. Cream of chicken, cream of celery, cream of mushroom. Either one will work fine, whatever your choice is. nice, bright mixed vegetables. A little bit more.
No Tabitha Brown. Tabitha Brown ain't got nothing on her. If you know, you know.
Fresh onion, celery, mixed vegetables, your soup, your broth, all your seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasonings, chicken, poultry seasoning. Good to go. There's no dairy in here, no raw foods. Money. And always don't forget your fresh garlic. And now I need a pan from under here so I can start rolling. I'm not a baker, so we're going to be using pre-made pie crust today.
That's fine. I think a lot of people aren't bakers. Found out a couple weeks ago, a lot of people don't even know how to fry chicken. So I think you are right up their alley.
At this point, you can either butter your dish or you can use a cooking spray. I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. It's cleaner.
Ooh, that's a healthier option, huh?
Yep. And just lightly move it around your dish.
See, me, I ain't no good. I like butter. That's probably why I'm in the predicament I'm in now.
And I'm just gonna lay that in there.
We got another pot first. Okay.
And because this pie crust, as you can see, has some empty areas, we're just gonna make it fit. Doesn't have to be perfect. Again, nobody's gonna see it. Nobody's gonna be grading you, hopefully, on what your bottom pie shell looks like. If they do, I think something is kind of wrong with them, but okay. I'm poking some holes in the bottom as well so that it doesn't puff up while cooking. Sorry, I can't cook around mess. I try to stay clean all the time while I'm cooking. we just start adding the filling. Would lift and pour, but I've had surgery, so I can't lift and pour, but also a proponent of getting every last single drop. Food is too expensive to let any of it be going to waste nowadays, so
Oh, that's right.
get all your stuff, every little last drop. Alright. Doesn't that look good? You can see your chicken, you can see your noodles. Not your noodles, you can see your vegetables. You see all of that looking in there, looking good. Now we want to do a lattice topping. And that's simply taking this same crust, cutting it into strips, and then placing it on the pie. And again, this does not have to be perfect. And for all of those who thinks it does, they probably need to get a life somewhere. I understand you want your food to look good, but I much prefer my food taste good, so.
That right, too.
Anyway, the old adage, everything that looks good to you ain't good for you.
Everything that glitters ain't gold.
And there be a lot of glitter out there nowadays. I know, some people say I just, you know, I have no filter. I'm just saying. Like Fantasia said, truth is, alright. And again, it don't look kind of choppy in some places, but it's gonna do the job.
They just want to eat. It don't even matter. Beating that thing like Michael Jackson, Billie Jean. Just beat it. Ooh.
Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da.
Take this egg right here and just paint the dish, you know? Just lightly brush over the crust.
Then what we want to do is sprinkle the top with a little Parmesan oregano, organic garlic base, and some Parmesan cheese. When she comes out, we'll do a fresh sprinkling of parsley. And she's good to go.
Yeah. Why you looking for me?
There I go. Somebody said you was looking for me? Now, if that was a smaller dish and there was a possibility that it might bubble over, you may want to put it on a baking pan so that the baking pan covers the drippings.
Oh, like a little sheet pan.
Yeah, it's like last week when it dripped all over the macaroni and cheese, dripped all over the oven. It wouldn't do that.
So in other words, now you don't want to follow me. You gonna come this way?
I know, because I look better, right? I got you.
Anyway, now stay here. Anyway, so what she was saying was, if this pan was a little bit small and it didn't give it any space to rise, what you would do is you would take one of these,
And the ingredients would bubble over.
boom. That way, when it bubbles over, or if it bubbles over, you still catch it and it's not dripping in the oven, burning your oven. See what I'm saying? See what I'm saying? Yeah. But we don't need that because we professionals around here. So let's put this back up. Waste some dishes. Yee.
Oven should be pre-warmed at 425.
Yep, oven is ready, good to go at 425. You want the top or bottom?
Bottom.
We'll put that in the oven, let it go.
About 30 minutes. What's your time?
I just set a timer for 30 minutes. Oven preheated at 425. Now it's set at 425, so it's ready to go. So in about a good 30, we'll tap back in and, you know, we'll see where we at. All right, y'all, so look, it's been 30 minutes. We're finna pull this out the oven.
Attack the soldier. Take his head.
Do chicken salad.
Chicken salad is good. Chicken salad is good. I was actually thinking about making some the other day.
I be cutting up like move to the beat like move to the beat like move to the beat. Now slide to the beat like move to the beat like move to the beat like move to the beat. Everywhere I go, I be cutting it up like shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. I be cutting up like shake it up, shake it up. Hold up, when the beat drop, I'ma give it straight to him like give it to him, 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 give it to him.